scholars. Say
Hi.
hi. Hi, it's Mrs. Balderrama and
Angie.
we just wanted to say hi. We miss you so much. I know it's getting really hard to be inside all the time. So today I have a fun science project you can do at home. It doesn't require a lot of ingredients or tools, so hopefully if you don't have the ingredients, you can go get them later. But we'll start with our feeling check. Do you remember what the fingers mean?
Angry, sad, tired, happy, excited.
I am. All right, Angie, why are you happy?
Because I finished all of the work that needed to be done today.
Nice. So yes, Angie, just like you, she's learning from home. So she has her assignments that she has to do on her computer and all that good stuff. I'm excited because I'm excited to teach. I'm going to teach Angie how to do it, and she's going to show you, and then hopefully you guys can do it at home. So I'm excited to do that. All right, so we'll also do a quick mindful activity. Let's just do some deep breathing. It's very easy. So you just sit back in your chair, and you're going to close your eyes, and you're going to breathe in, and then breathe out. And then remember, when you breathe out, you're going to send happy thoughts to a friend or to a family member or maybe someone that you're not feeling good about. So someone you've been fighting with or arguing with, maybe now's the time to send them some happy thoughts. So put that person in your brain. It could even be a pet. Maybe your pet's driving you crazy. So I'm going to actually think about Logan, my dog, because I've been kind of mean to him. So who are you thinking about?
Dad.
Oh, Dad. All right, so remember, we'll do 3. Go in, and when you breathe out, send something nice to that person or animal. And then our dogs are fighting. Hey, stop. Ay. Sorry, guys. Behave, we're trying to make a video. Okay. Here we go, ready? I don't want to start over. All right, guys, give me 1 second. Let me get these guys out of here. Hey, stop it. There's one, Brutus. I'm gonna put him upstairs. Here. Go. All right. Sorry. No, we had a good start, so I don't want to start over. Okay, let's try that again. So in. Okay. Whew. I feel really calm now. So even though I heard an airplane and still the other dog walking around, it was still a good time to just focus on my breathing. Okay, so for the science experiment, it's called plastic milk. Ooh, so I made some earlier. This is what it'll look like when you're done. It's kind of like slime, but white. All right, so let me show you what you're going to need. You're going to need vinegar. It doesn't have to be this brand, so let me turn it around. Any kind of vinegar. You will need some milk, 1 cup of milk, and then have a grown-up warm it up for you, but you don't want it to be boiling hot, just hot. Okay, hot to where you touch it and it's like hot cocoa. You're also going to need a teaspoon to measure the vinegar, and you need a strainer for pasta. You know how you put the pasta in there and the water comes out? Dogs, man. And then a bowl or a sink. So you put the strainer in the sink or the bowl, and then you'll find out why you need this part after. And that's it, guys. It's really easy. All right, Miss Angie. Are you ready?
Yes.
So Angie's going to start. And you start, oh boy, guess what I forgot?
What?
A bowl. Let me go grab a bowl. Okay, so here's your bowl. All right, so then you have your 1 cup of milk. Now, if you guys are doing this, have the grown-up do this part. Pour it into the bowl. It's hot.
I burned my finger.
Oh no. All right. Then I poured the vinegar into this bowl just to make it easier. And then you're gonna put 4 teaspoons, TSP, of the vinegar in there. 1, 2, 3,
4.
4. That's it. All right, then you're gonna need a bigger spoon and you're gonna mix it for 1 minute. So we can, let's practice our counting, shall we? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. So after 60 is a minute, so that's 60 seconds. You should see some clumps in there. All right, so I'm gonna give Angie this bowl first, and actually just move that to the side. And then we're gonna take the strainer and put it here. If you don't have a bowl, just put the strainer in the sink, because everything that comes out, you don't need it. Can you guys see? Okay, so you're gonna pour everything in there. Ooh. So the strainer is really cool because all the water or the liquid goes into the bowl, and then we're left with, here, let me put a towel here. Some white, gunky mess. Let me open it. All right, so it's gonna be a little warm right now. Can you guys see that? Is it warm? You wanna touch it? It's actually not too bad. You wanna make it into a ball?
Yeah, it's hot.
Oh, it's still hot. So if you're at home, you might want to wait a few minutes for it to cool off. You don't want to burn yourself. But when you're done, or you let it cool off, it'll look like, I should use a different color bowl. It'll look like this, and it's more like a slime. If you have food coloring laying around, if you'd like to bake, you can use the baking for that. And then you just play with it. So this will be cool for you to use if you get stressed out, or you're feeling like you need to do something with your hands. Angie likes to do that. She has a putty, like silly putty, and she plays with it, and it helps her to relax. So this is just something you can keep, and then if you put it in a plastic baggie, you can keep it and use it for later. All right?
Yeah.
All right, so it's called plastic milk. I think I will put the directions at the bottom of the video so you guys can have the directions and then how much vinegar and water you need. Of course, you can always just rewatch the video. I think I told them everything, right? Yeah, so 1 cup hot milk, not boiling, 4 teaspoons of vinegar. Gotta have a strainer. If you don't have a strainer, sorry. Maybe you can make one with plastic. Just poke some holes in it and try, because you just need to get this water out, and you need the plastic milk. Okay. All right, that's it for today. Love you. Mwah, 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 mwah. Miss you so, so much. And that's it, guys. Bye.